Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature, if you don't use these 60+ blogging tools and tips, stop right now. And also, I discovered these tools and now I'm revealing my secrets. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. In this podcast, I'll share over 60 of the best blogging tools and resources to help you blog like a pro. In addition to the best blogging tools and resources, I have another list that will definitely help you. Check out https://catchupdates.com/best blogging tools and resources/ For more on these awesome tools and tips to blog like a pro. Whether you're a new blogger or an expert, finding the best blogging tools and resources will help you make your blog even better. I want to share with you tips and tools from my favorite bloggers so you can keep growing your blog. I thought it would be helpful to give you the top 10 blogs and blogging resources that I find most helpful in my blogging journey. Check out these URLs for 60+ blogging tools. Source 5. https://yoast.com/ Over 50 of the best tools for small businesses and bloggers. Source https://radoxbusiness.com/top 10 best blogging resources and tools/ Top 10 best blogging resources and tools. Source https://yourfamilylifestyle.com/blogging tools resources/ Best blogging tools and resources to grow your blog. Whether you want to start your own blog or just want to improve your current blog, I've compiled a list of the best blogging resources I've found, and the best blogging resources I've come across. The blogging resources I share are ones that I like and or use myself, so you can be sure they work and are worth the investment. The blogging tools you'll see below are still the ones I use in my day-to-day blogging work. I personally use most of the tools, others are suggested and used by other professional bloggers. I've had the pleasure of trying many of these tools while writing online. I am sure you will find many new tools and resources to help you create a blog. Whether you're a professional or part-time blogger, you'll find new tools and resources to make your blogging journey easier. Whether you're new to blogging or have been blogging for decades, knowing the right tools can save you time, money, and effort. One of the best ways to save time, money, and energy is to use the right blogging tools online. Whether you're blogging to make money online or drive traffic to your website, using the right blogging tools will save you time, money, and effort. One of the biggest and best blogging tools is regular website maintenance. Signing up for Webmaster Tools can open up a lot of SEO opportunities for your blog posts. Premium SEO Pack is a blogging tool to help you get started with your WordPress site. It's not a 100% free blogging tool, but its light version offers limited features that beginner bloggers might find useful. 4 well-known SEO and blogging tools. Yoast SEO. SEO is a well-known SEO tool that helps you optimize blog posts with keywords, check what appears in search results, and write for better search rankings. OptinMonster is a widely used blogging tool that helps bloggers create registration forms using the best blogger templates and different types of blog layouts. Ghost offers an intuitive editor, built-in SEO tools, responsive layouts, and ready-to-use email subscriptions so you can easily create and manage a blog. WP Rocket is one of the best blogging tools and resources that can help with efficient database optimization, cache preloading, zip compression, and other useful features. In this post, we'll look at tools to help you write better, publish faster, and rank higher on Google so you can drive more quality visitors and leads to your Google blog. You can use robust blogging and landing page tools to create search engine optimized content based on best practices. To complement the words you use to create your blog posts, I have found a huge number of blogging tools in sources 12 and 15 that help with everything from an idea to getting your content out there. Check out the following sources for 64+ blogging tools. Source https://buffer.com/library/blogging tools/ 39 blogging tools to help you work faster, write better and land more readers. Source https://blog hubspot.com/website/best blogging tools grow blog. 25+ best blogging tools to grow your blog in 2022. With tools like the HubSpot blog theme generator, you can overcome writer's block and focus on what you love most. Writing blog content. If you happen to run into writer's block, you can connect to Quora to find ideas worth sharing and you'll never run out of blog post ideas. The following tools will help you identify your target audience, find topics that audience likes, and overcome author block so you can plan your blogging strategy. Here are a few tools to help you optimize your titles, set the tone and style for your blog, and make sure your content is free of grammatical and spelling errors. At the end of each blogging tool presentation, you will also find an actionable suggestion if you need free or paid tools. Sources: 14, 15. Check out this source. Source 15, https://blog. HubSpot.com/website/best blogging tools grow blog. 25 plus best blogging tools to grow your blog in 2022. If you're not ready to pay high fees for a premium SEO tool like Ahrefs, you can check out one of the many free SEO tools that can offer a site audit and more for your blog. Assuming you already have a hosting plan and are therefore able to install WordPress plugins, Yoast SEO is a free blogging tool. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning the best blogging tools and resources to help you blog like a pro. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.